Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Milady Memecoin. Milady Memecoin has been making some massive strides, around the crypto space as far as meme coins are concerned, and I believe it's still going unnoticed. And we will talk about as to why that is. So let's waste no more time and discuss what is happening. So before we get into the analysis, if we're looking at the entire market today, as we start off Friday, we have seen BTC see a little bit of a cool off, which is causing majority of the cryptocurrency to be obviously down with the price of BTC. You can see this for yourself. Pretty much every coin in the top 100 is down right now. But if we're looking at Milady though, it's currently sitting at 13,7698. Still about 6 zeros in front of the price, but we're continuously seeing ladies hold stronger compared to the overall market momentum. It's up 13% in all three comparatives over the past 24 hours. Market cap holding really strong above the 120 million, and the 24-hour trading volume has been increasing, currently approaching the $35 million mark. The times we're in right now are completely different as to the times we were in earlier bull market, which I wouldn't even call it a bull market. I would think that was a complete fake out, which was earlier this year. And that time around there was still a lot of bearish momentum as far as new investors go. We weren't seeing as many new eyes coming into the crypto space, but that has changed. Right now we're seeing a lot of new eyes coming into crypto. A lot of people are interested, and I could tell that easily by just the way the new audience that's coming onto my channel, and I can hear from their comments, the feedback that they gave, that this is the first time in the crypto space. So we're seeing a lot of new money flowing into crypto right now as we speak. But like I said, the holder count is increasing day by day. A lot of momentum, of course. So when there is a lot of momentum, people tend to be really excited and people want to be a part. And that's what's happening with ladies right now, which is really nice to see. But one thing that we're going to be taking a look at is their Twitter today. Kind of little closely, because if we're scrolling, guys, there's no such thing as a huge announcement or an engagement where there's a giveaway, as we're seeing Bonk do. There's no such thing as that. It's pretty much tweets of the ladies logo photoshopped with a real person, and pretty much that's what they're doing right now. But you got to give it to them, right? There's the likes of Pepe, the team that had 10 times, if not more, momentum than ladies and engagement as well, and they couldn't do the basics. And even if they switch it up now, I don't think they will have that momentum again. I honestly don't think that, unless they come out and burn some insane amount of supply, now which could trigger more interest. But Bonk has taken over the Pepe spot, and Bonk has already labeled itself as the biggest meme coin of the cycle. But you can see this for yourself. Continuous tweets, and they're not lazy on these tweets. They continue making these tweets, so that is great. And this reason alone is driving the momentum. And what if I told you, as of now, as of recording this update, and over the course of the last 2 to 3 weeks, ladies has more momentum compared to Pepe? Yeah, I know that's pretty shocking, but that is what's happening right now. But there's no big announcement as of now, so that is something we need to be hoping that ladies team works on. Maybe possibly a new exchange coming in into play, possibly OKX. Is Binance possibly going to list it? What I can see happening, now hear me out, what I can see happening is Binance to actually list ladies on the futures side of things first. Because at the end of the day, guys, there's one huge disadvantage when it comes to exchanges listing ladies. And I will tell you that. And again, I'm going to keep it at 100%. I think ladies does definitely have momentum, but I'm talking from a exchange type point of view. And what I'm trying to say is, you can see, it says, please note this project is in no way affiliated or associated with Milady, the NFT project. And as an exchange, if you're looking at ladies and the momentum is definitely there and you're trying to list it on your platform, but then you remember that there is original NFT huge collection as well. Floor price is over like 2 ETH if I'm not mistaken, from last time I checked. So as a exchange owner, or like the person that is in charge of exchange, you don't really want to list a project that is in a way a meme coin for an NFT that's massive, but it's not an official affiliated meme coin, if you know what I mean. So these are some disadvantage in my opinion, but we will see what happens. I still think though, that there's a huge possibility that we do see a futures listing occur on Binance. The reason as to why this can happen is because Binance makes majority of their money off of futures, if you do not know, and they are aware as to what is going on, and I'm sure the Binance listing representatives, or whoever they are, I'm sure they're already aware of what ladies is as well. So that is the biggest thing that we could look out for. Possibly, if that happens, that alone can trigger a huge spike in middle ladies, in my opinion. But that's if that happens. But even if that does not happen, one thing you guys want to continuously be looking at is, even though we have these exchanges on board, despite this fact, ladies continues to be performing really, really good. Could this be manipulation? Possibly. Could this be a bunch of whales that saw an opportunity and start to pump it? Absolutely. And this is why, if you have been making some life-changing gains, locking some profits does not hurt. But let's take a look at what's happening, and of course what is yet to come. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm going to shift to the hourly time frame. The way ladies right now is holding is, it just feels like it wants to continue more towards the upside, and we are very, very close to all-time highs. And if it's able to crack past all-time highs, we could see ladies running up to, of course, a price discovery mode. And if you know what a price discovery mode is, there's no resistances, there's no support, price can go up as fast as it can. So you can see this for yourself. We're only 31.7% away for us to retest that resistance. And as of now, despite the market little bit of a retracement, ladies is holding really, really strong. So that is, of course, a huge bullish indicator, because you can see this for yourself on the hourly time frame. It's creating higher highs and higher lows, and that is despite BTC opening up on a little bit of a retracement this morning as we start off Friday and going into the weekend. So this is something that we need to be paying very, very close attention to, and BTC dominance has pulled down right now, which can help some of the altcoins pushing up, in my opinion. Especially if BTC even hovers around this range, we could see slowly but surely some coins start outpacing majority of BTC, and I think ladies is going to be one of the first ones. A 30% move, guys, is not that much, and I think the ladies is about to do the impossible. But like I said, long term though, you want to be very cautious, right? You can't just be thinking here that ladies is going to be a project, a meme coin that is going to be here to fight with the big boys such as Shiba Inu and Bonk 5 years or 3 years down the road. Am I optimistic on that? To be quite frank with you guys, no. But for the for this upcoming bull market, I think it has a lot of momentum. But a project can have all this momentum and stuff. If you do not know where you're going to be locking some of these profits in, you will be left behind. Because if you really saw some of the comments, there was one comment that came in yesterday on the Bonk update that I did. Someone bought $800 worth of Bonk and their portfolio was worth 30K, and they were questioning themselves whether or not they should lock in profits. Let that sink in. Always lock those profits in, because that's a life-changing wealth. But like I said, be very, very cautious, guys, right now. Because oh, I'm sorry, not right now. See, it's just early morning. I'm too tired. I still need my breakfast. But what I mean is, if you've been picking up some ladies pretty much since November 30th, lock some profits in. It doesn't hurt. It does not hurt. You're up 345% in 15 days. absolutely madness. But I think Ladies has more momentum than Pepe, and I think if the community really gets together, this can push towards Pepe's levels. I see that momentum definitely there and the potential. But that is it for today's update. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. See you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.